Today, we're in Munising, and it is a perfect summer day, and we're about to do something really fun. I'm going out with Pictured Rocks Cruises with a group that has never seen Pictured Rocks before.
My favorite part was going into like that cove where we got really up close to the rocks.
I enjoyed being with my whole family and going out on the boat.
When you get close enough and you can see the different layers of sediment of the rock, I think that's really cool.
Seeing all the waterfalls.
I loved the whole vibes today. It's as turquoise as could be, so it was gorgeous.
Right now, we're going to go into Downwind Sports because we have to get this pair of earrings with the UP on them, and then we're going to go to Gallery Coffee and get some coffee. This weather is so perfect. I cannot wait to get out there. I don't think I've ever seen the bay in Munising be this calm. We're getting ready to board. Oh, there's some pretty awesome hats in there, so I had to get one for this cruise too. You want to take the tags off that thing?
Yeah, pretty cool.
This is one of the catamaran boats. We're going on the Spray Falls cruise. We're gonna go by things like Lover's Leap, Chapel Rock, Chapel Beach. I mean, it's going to be awesome. I'm really excited to bring people that have never seen any of it before. I think that's the part I'm most excited about today.
I don't care what part of it I see, I'm excited for all of it.
We'd like to welcome you to the Lake Superior, as well as Pictured Rocks National Lakeshore. Your cruise out to the Pictured Rocks today should take about 2 hours to complete. On the way out, we're going to see a couple sand beaches, a few waterfalls, and of course those pristine sandstone cliffs that drop off into the water. Some places, those cliffs reach as high as 200 feet.
Well, that was so cool. We just saw some people up on top of the rocks get engaged. Everyone on the boat cheered. I didn't know what everyone was cheering for. I saw it. They started waving. So that was pretty cool. Pretty cool experience. Right up there, that is where I have hiked before, and I did the Chapel Loop. It's about 10.5 miles and some amazing scenery. Totally different. Everything we're seeing down here, you get to see from up on top of the cliffs. So as we move from this spot right here to the next one, I'm going to show you some of that hike. It's cool to see everything from up here. On a day like this, when it's super sunny out, you can see down into the water. So don't forget to look down at that. That is awesome. Seeing that from this angle was so cool. And I kind of bet we're gonna get to see it from the other side too, wouldn't you think? I've never been up here along the trail, so it's cool to see the cruise boat going from right here. All right, now that we've arrived, back to the tour.
If we were to travel straight north to Canada from here, you find you pick the widest point to cross. It's 165 miles straight north to Canada. Lake Superior is also a pretty long lake, stretching from Duluth, Minnesota to Sault Ste. Marie, Michigan, right around 350 miles. And if we were patient enough, or perhaps crazy enough to take this boat all along the perimeter of the lake, you find you travel a distance of right around 1,780 miles.
Call this, I think this is Battleship Row, because the end looked like a bunch of ships pulled into port and all the ends sticking out. You see it up there, kid?
Going into this big. Check this out. You can see the rock under the water.
I could not believe 12 kids lived with their parents in this lighthouse.
I want to say small family. I mean, it was him and his wife and their 12 children.
All right, Pictured Rocks Cruises is just right there. And now we're going to A Burger. Here's everything. There's a lot of food here. I know what mine is. I don't know what everyone else. Chicken and fries. Patty melt. Patty melt. These are our fries. You got some with cheese. I got the A burger. I like the holy wah sauce. Did you guys all get holy wah sauce on yours? After going on the cruise and after getting dinner, now it's time to get a little bit of ice cream. I promised that today, so have to make it happen.